Hello. Uh, so this is Dr. Jewell. I teach advanced geometry and pre-calculus here at Austin High School. This is a video tutorial about how to do linear regression involved in your ASI 9 project. Okay. So in geography class, you should have filled out 6 tables about your indicators and your country. And so so you should have some information like this or like this, and you should have that about 6 times. Okay. And so now we're going to use that information to do linear regression. Linear regression is a way to predict future values. Okay, so you have values based on past years, and we are now going to use that information to make a prediction about that indicator, whatever that is, in the year 2075. And so let's do that. So we're going to make a table and a graph. You've already made a table. Now we're going to make graphs using that table. And we're going to make predictions. And we're going to put it all on a graphic organizer. So here's an example, is that let's say you have Kenya and percent of malaria, cases of malaria. I know that was not one of your indicators, but let's just say it is. Here's a table, you make a graph, you're going to make an equation of fit using that, and then this equation will allow you to create a prediction. And so, and here is the model that is shown for you, just another one. So table, graph of the data, like these blue points are these coordinates. This is the trend line. This equation of best fit matches this trend line and a prediction of 2075. Okay, so this link is this model I just showed you, this link here, and then there's a graphic organizer. So I'm going to show you how to do this, steps 1 through 6, doing one example. Okay, so what I do once, you're going to have to do 6 times for this project. Okay. All right. So first up, we have a table of data, right? We have this table of data. Okay. Let's see, which one do you want me to use? Let's use the one on the right. Okay, so let's say I use this table of data. I got X is years, Y is data. Let's say this is, I don't know, population density, right? It's like population density. So like this, go here. So in the row, so I copied that from the spreadsheet. Now I'm going to paste it into Desmos. So I press Control V. It actually created this ridiculous looking thing that doesn't match very well with linear equations, but that's okay. All right, so the next step is you're going to write, the line below, we're going to write this. Okay, so the little Enya thing is shift, and there's a button to the left of 1. And then to create the little subscripts, that is the little ones, you just press the number 1 after you press the letters Y and X. Okay, so that means Y1, this, MX1 plus 1 plus B. All right, so instead of being Y equals MX plus B, Y equals MX plus B is the linear equation. It's Y is similar to MX plus B. This means similar because equals would be a line that actually really touches all these points, and instead it doesn't. Notice this trend line doesn't even touch any of these points. And now we have this. Okay, so the R squared value, the closer that is to 1, the better it is. That's not a very good prediction, but that's okay. So now we have, so next up is making an equation of best fit. Okay, so the equation of best fit will be replacing M and X with, so we have Y equals MX plus B, right? And we're replacing M with what it tells me M is, and that's this, 7.87. And I'm replacing B with what this is. So what this is we're given what is the slope and the y-intercept. Notice I replaced the plus sign with the minus since the y-intercept is negative. Like if this was a plus value, like a positive value, it would be plus something. All right, and here is our equation of best fit. All right, so go into the graphic organizer. Let's say we're doing it here. So this was, I made this up. This was, what country? I don't know. Turks and Caicos, where I want to go. And that was population density. Okay. So I have a table. I'm using the snipping tool. That's the snipping tool to click and drag and copy this. I have my table. I go, here's my table, and then I'm going to do the same thing with my graph, which is this. Copy. And I copy that, and I'm going to make it smaller so it fits right next to it. Okay, so now my equation of best fit was this. Okay. All right, so the next step is the prediction, right? And so the way to do that is first up, I need to replace y with f of x, okay? Because we need to do function notation. And now I'm going to type in f of 2075. What that means is we are replacing x with 2075. And that means my prediction would be about 2061. Since we're talking about people, population density is people, I'm going to use the whole number of 2061. So that's the prediction right there. So that means 2061. Now I'd write a complete sentence of what does that mean? Well, that means that the predicted population density in Turks and Caicos will be 2061 people per square mile in the year 2075. That's one way to write it. Okay, so that was how you do it. And so, yeah, that's how you do it. That's how you do one of them. And that's it. I hope that was helpful. If you need help, I'm in room 259. All right, have a good day.